So today here I'm at the Boeing factory tour in Everett, Washington. Unfortunately, there's no cameras or recording equipment, or even phones for that matter, in the actual factory. So I couldn't get any footage in there, but they do have a really cool display area here that has a lot of the history of the airplanes and that type of thing. So I thought I'd show you that. And also let you know that if the Boeing factory tour is something you've always wanted to do, or on the fence, or wondering if it was worth it, 100%. Definitely something, if you come to Seattle or anywhere up this area, I recommend the tour for sure. It's really cool. So you come here and then they take you on a bus and then you get to go see the factory. Get to stand above the factory floor and see the assembly, and there's actually a little sneak peek right there. That's kind of what you see over there. Actually, that's really what you do see over there. But yeah, I highly recommend it. So right now I'm going to take you around to show you what's in this room here, and hope you enjoy. So here's a big picture of what I was actually able to see in the factory tour, standing above the assembly line. So couldn't get cameras in there, like I said, but here's a little bit of a cheat. This is basically what you see when you look down below. But it's super, super awesome. Highly recommend it. All right, let's go check out some more stuff. Is of the 777. It says -8, but it's actually -9. What makes that unusual is the fact that the wingtips over there, it's going to be the first of its kind that has wingtips that actually fold up. And it takes just a few seconds, I think he said less than 20 seconds, for those tips to swing up. So basically, after the plane lands, they'll go up so that it fits in the gate, doesn't hit anything on the way in, because it has the longest wingspan of any plane Boeing has ever made in history, including the 747. Just massive. But it's really cool that these wingtips flip up. So when you taxi from the gate, head out to the runway, they'll actually flip back up, less than 20 seconds. And this airplane is mostly made of carbon fiber. But I just noticed something a little bit funny here. So let's hope in real life, the wheels don't do that, because that's not good. You can actually see some 777s out there. You can see in the back, 2 of them sitting out there. There's several of them around here. And I don't know if you can really see it well enough, but these are production planes that are made. They're waiting certification, and they don't leave the engines hanging on them. Once they're certified, the engines will go back on. They'll go to whoever buys the plane. But interestingly enough, they take the engines off and they hang weight where the engine would be, so that the plane's not sitting without weight actually on the wings. So interesting, pretty cool. So here's an interesting diagram of how the airflow works in an airplane. Back there they've got a video demonstration going on as to how the big HEPA filter here works. It's remarkable actually what they can do with the air quality. Actually super impressive. So that's kind of how it works right there. And yeah, kind of nice to know. There you go. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? So this piece is actually made of carbon fiber. It's a test piece for the 787 Dreamliner. And it's really hard to describe in person what it's like, but this thing is massive. Just massive. That's super cool. So I don't know about you, but I've always wondered just how big a tail section is on a 747. And fortunately for me, they have this piece here. And just to give you a size scale, if you look at the size of this thing, it is just immense. So it is as tall as a 6-story building. It's really hard to give you a scale of just how big it is, but yeah, I just can't even fit it in there. But it's huge. Super cool. It is a little chilly out here. But behind me here you can see the weight that I was talking about, where they pull the motors off and they add some weight to it until they're certified. They put the engines back on. And you can actually see the weight hanging on there, and there's a couple out there too. Both have weights on them, along with all the other ones over there. All of those all have weights, so I just thought that was kind of interesting. But this is called the Sky Deck, and you can kind of take a look and see what's here. I thought I'd just add that real quick. So anyway, that was my excursion to the Boeing factory tour. and I definitely think you should check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching.